called as rudder stop, which we have seen before. Okay, so where is the rudder? Where is the rudder? Down. Okay, and the off. Okay, top button set off. Now, if we have to suppose one time the oil will enter in this pipe. Okay, so in this cylinder. Once the oil enters in this cylinder, the ram will be pushed that side. Once when the oil enters this side in this cylinder, the ram will be pushed that side. The ram will push that side. What will happen to this pillar? It will move like this. Rudder will move this direction. It will move this direction. Okay. Second time when we put oil in that, just go there. Where oil is there? Second time. The oil enters from here. The cylinder will push the ram this way, and the pillar will move this. Okay. So one time the pillar is moving like this. Second time. So the movement of the pillar is depending on which mode the oil is entering. Either this or this. One time it will be entering, one time it will be exiting, and this is entering, this is exiting. Clear now? So how we are deciding that which port is becoming discharge, which port is becoming suction. So one of them is discharge, one of them is suction. It is decided by one swash plate. And to discuss swash plate, come in the class. Give me a pen. So imagine this is the swash plate. The swash plate is here, the tank, this up. Okay. So imagine this is swash plate, same swash plate. If the swash plate move like this will become discharge, this will become suction. If we move the swash plate like this will become discharge, this will become suction. So movement angle of the swash plate will decide which port will become discharge, which port will become suction. How this angle is moved? So there is one link here. Okay, in the swash plate there is one link. If you pull this link this side, the swash plate will go this side. Push the link this side, the swash plate will move this side. After this, clear to everybody? Now, come. Can you see this link here? This one? This horizontal link. This is the link for the swash plate. Okay? If you pull this link this side, swash plate will move. That's it. Push the link inside this wash plate. That's it. Okay. So this link is decided which port will become what. After this is clear. Now this link is connected to one hunting lever. Can you see this one? This is a hunting lever. It's called as hunting lever. Hunting means shooting. Hunting lever. Okay. So what is the purpose of hunting lever? Is this hunting lever connected to here? Hunting lever. Okay. If you manage to move this hunting lever that side, the link will pull that side, swash plate will pull that side. If you manage to pull it that this side, the link will push this side and the swash plate will pull like this. Clear now? Now how we are moving this hunting lever? We are not doing this mechanically. We are doing this electrohydraulic. Okay? So this thing will get coupled here. Okay? This thing will get coupled here. Okay? So there is one secure pin to go here and go this. After this is clear now? Clear to everybody? Yes. This and this is clear? Yes. Now we want to continue. For a time stop your thinking here, we are starting something new. After that we will interconnect. Okay? Now come. So you can see two, this is one more hydraulic, this is called hydraulic DC. Okay? DC, direction control. Hydraulic, but hydraulic flow. Okay? So if we manage to put oil here, this ram will be pushed this side. If we manage to put oil here, the ram will push that side. If the ram is moving, the ram is connected to that link on the land. Yes? Now why this ram is moving? Because one time oil is going here, one time oil is going here, and other is acting as X. Right? So now one of you go press this line where this point is coming. Press it. This point here, where this comes. Here to where on the top?
Top, sir.
Which two are the ends?
This one. Yes, sir.
This one and this one, right?
Yes, sir.
You keep your hands there. Only one guy keep hand here and here. Okay? So these are the two ends, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this thing is called a servo pump. This is called servo motor, servo motor, servo pump, servo pump. Okay?
Yes.
In our diagram, how many servo pump we have? 4. Okay. Here we have only 2. Okay. Now whatever I tell about this will be applicable to this also. Okay. So we'll focus on only one. Okay. Now let's see. This is servo motor. This is the servo pump. This is the sump. This is the sump tank. Okay. From here the pump is taking suction. This is the suction. This is the discharge. Okay. Now another guy trace the discharge line where it is going. This discharge. Trace it where it is going. From there out where it is going out. Where it is going out. Where it is going out. This is the discharge line.
Yes, sir.
Where it is coming? Is it coming here? Everybody comes here. Is it coming here?
This side.
It is coming here, right? What is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? What is this? This is a DCV. Where? Here. Everybody pay attention.
This one, sir.
This is a DCV. It is an electrical DCV.
Electrical DC.
Electrical directional control wall. If it is a DCV, it has how many positions?
3.
Which one?
Tandem, parallel,
parallel and cross.
Can you see 3 position on the top?
मिटा दिए सर
है ना लेकिन
हाँ जी सर
क्रॉस है टैंडम है पैरेलल है यस
Yes.
नाउ पे अटेंशन हियर जस्ट पे अटेंशन ओके I said this is the suction of the pump. This one is suction. This is the discharge. Okay. Where the discharge is going? Is it going to DCV?
Yes.
Okay. Now see this pipe. Can you see this pipe?
Yes.
हाँ, sir.
Is it coming out from the DCV only?
Yes, sir.
It is coming from DCV?
Yes.
Acha. Now see, if the pump is taking suction from the sump, then going to discharge, then going to DCV, and from DCV it is again going back to the same pump. Which position is activated?
Sir, tandem. Tandem है
ये वाला क्या होगा?
ब्लाइंड ही रहता है ब्लाइंड ही tandem है
Tandem. It is which position?
Tandem.
It is tandem, right? Now, tandem understood? Now, अब यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. Okay. Now, how many lines we have identified? हाँ हाथ उठ जाओ. How many lines we have identified? This is discharge. Okay. This is the incoming for DCV. Okay. This is going to tank. Yes. Can you see this line? This is an interconnected line. This is an interconnected going for another system. For a time being, skip this line. Okay. Now tell me which are other remaining outlets for DCV. Is there any more outlets for DCV? Not that one. This one. We are focusing on this side.
सर इनके अंदर होते हैं
यहाँ पे दिखेगा ना पाइपलाइन. कौन सा पाइपलाइन है जो बाकी है और कौन सा पाइपलाइन तुमने फिगर आउट कर लिया अभी? ये दोनों फिगर आउट कर लिया.
ये भी दो हैं.
ये फिगर आउट कर लिया है.
नहीं सर ये नहीं
वाला
करा
किया।
ये फिगर आउट नहीं किया है. ये
किया ना.
इंटरकनेक्टेड है ना.
ये वाला किया।
लेकिन नीचे वाला सर नीचे वाला देखो
तो भी
नीचे
वो
ये
किया।
पाइपलाइन क्या है? ये पाइपलाइन.
ये नीचे वाला सर नीचे देखो
ये क्या है? ये
हो गया,
pipeline?
हाँ।
ये क्या
ये क्या है?
टैंडम
टैंडम किस में जा रहा है? सम.
सम
ठीक है.
में।
ये हो गया.
हाँ।
ये हो गया. ठीक है. ये किस में इंटरकनेक्टेड में? ये इसमें. और कौन सा पाइपलाइन है
सर
इसका?
नीचे जा रही
ये इनलेट वाला हो गया. पंप से आ रहा है. हाँ, और कोई पाइपलाइन है?
ये वाला
कौन सी है? ये 2 पाइपलाइंस है, राइट? These 2 pipelines are remaining. Okay.
Yes.
Now, consider these 2 pipelines will give outlet when one of the position is activated. Imagine cross is activated. How it will get activated, that we'll see later on. Okay. Suppose cross is activated. So one of the pipeline will act as a discharge.
Yes.
You consider any pipeline. You consider which pipeline you want to consider?
This one.
This pipeline.
So, as well.
Now trace this pipeline. Is this pipeline is coming here?
This one sir
Yes. Trace it. No, from pipeline itself you trace no.
yes सर जा रही है देखो
जा रही है? सच में?
हाँ जी सर
जाओ तुम देखो. इस पाइपलाइन को ट्रेस करो. नीचे जा रहा है. अब नीचे कहाँ जा रहा है? वहाँ से देखो.
हाँ सर हाँ ग्रीन
जा रहा है?
हाँ सर
जा रहा है? यस. ओके. अब कौन सा पाइपलाइन ट्रेस किया था? विच पाइपलाइन यू ट्रेस्ड?
सर दिस वन
Trace this one. Suppose parallel is activated. This will act as a discharge now.
यस
हाँ. चलो ये भी जा रहा है क्या देखो.
ये सर जा रहा है
जा रहा है? So depends whether you connect cross or you connect parallel. One of them will act as a discharge. Yes. And one of the time the oil will enter here. Up till this is clear? Okay. Now let's see how we are selecting cross and parallel. How cross and parallel is getting selected. Can you see this is an electrical DCV?
yes
Okay, so it is obviously operated by electrical supply. Okay, so this one guy sitting on the bridge is moving the wheel. Health span जिसको बोलते हैं health span. Okay, या wheel man बोलते हैं. अगर वो wheel clockwise घुमा रहा है, means turning the wheel clockwise, one of the position will activate. one of the solenoid will get supply, one of the position will come in center. One time clockwise, maybe cross will come, anti-clockwise, maybe parallel. If it is not moving anywhere, it is at center. What position is it? Tandem. Okay. Servo pump is running and it is in recirculation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear to how many people? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now, yeah. What was the? Acha. One thing we missed.
लाइट तोड़ दी
हाँ ठीक है ओके inside we have a servo pump inside we have we had a swash plate
Yes, sir.
swash plate was just changing the angle
Yes, sir.
but we need pressure no so pressure was created by this motor okay are we changing one time this is discharge second time this is discharge
Yes.
are we changing the direction of the motor
No, sir.
No, sir.
direction of the motor was not changed.
No.
Only thing was changed was the angle of the swash.
Swash.
Okay. Now, suppose electrical supply is cut. We don't have an electrical supply. Still, we want to use this is emergency equipment, right? Still, we want to use this in running
Yes.
ship. In that case, an external provision is given that is called auxiliary steering. Okay, manual steering or auxiliary steering. Now, this is auxiliary steering. What is it? What it is? Auxiliary steering. What is the job of the motor there? Wash plate was done by link. Pressure. So we need pressure. So as there is no electricity, we need hand pump. So it will create pressure. Okay. What was the purpose of the swash plate? Change the
angle.
Make
Suction
one
and discharge.
Suction and discharge.
Discharge.
So we have manual swash, manual port changing here. Okay. One time you do this port will act as a discharge. This will act as suction. Second time you do this will act as a discharge. This will act as suction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is called manual steering. Okay. और auxiliary steering. उस पे हाथ में दबा तोड़ना नहीं है. अभी तुमने लाइट तोड़ी है already. Okay. So this is called manual steering. Okay. Now pay attention. Suppose what is the Solas regulation for this electrical steering? Main steering. How many seconds? How much movement?
30
30 port?
30 starboard start 30 port side
35, 30. How many seconds?
and 26 26
35, 30 in 28 seconds.
28
35, 30 in 35 from starboard to 32 port in 28 seconds.
28 second
But
yeah.
this is possible if you have electrical pump.
Yes sir
Okay.
And it's
but
a
if you have
16.
manual pump, is it possible? Can you turn in 28 seconds?
नहीं 16 sir
So it is 60 seconds.
60
60 seconds. But the angle is also compromised. How much is the angle now? 15 degree to 15 degree. Okay. And can you run the ship on full speed? The speed of the ship should also be reduced by half. So nominal, what is there suggested? 7 knots. Speed of the ship should be 7 knots when you are using auxiliary steering. Is it clear now? Up till this everything is clear?
Yes.
Now this thing is called greasing arrangement. Okay? Greasing arrangement. What is that greasing part? Diwali mein we had that chakli maker. We put the dough in the chakli maker and we move it, right? Dough comes out. Yes or no? दिवाली में बनाया ना वो चकली वाला कभी नहीं बनाया देखा भी नहीं कभी जलेबी पता है जलेबी
Yes.
हाँ ये so we have some kind of a cylinder on that we have a piston we move that piston so it get compressed and the jalebi comes out similarly we have this one okay so all the grease is in this cylinder we just rotate this one with pressure the grease comes out to the greasing point clear
Yes, sir.
now last thing okay how the guy sitting on the bridge will come to know what is the correct position of the rudder. How will we know? For that, that is called as rudder angle indicator. But the rudder angle indicator should have supply now. Then only it will turn. So how that supply is connected that we have to see. Okay. So who is giving supply to the rudder angle indicator? This thing is called a synchro transmitter.
what sir
Or a synchro transmitter. Or it is called as a feedback device. Or it is called as a repeater. Okay. What it does? Whatever mechanical movement is happening here, it is converting into electrical signal. So how it is doing it? How this mechanical movement? Acha, if this tiller move this side, this will also move.
Yes.
So this will also move.
Yes.
So this rotor will also move.
yes sir
So how this mechanical thing is getting converted into electrical things that we have to see. Okay. Now tell me what is a generator? It converts what to what?
mechanical to electrical
Mechanical to
Electrical.
So So this is a stator. What is this? A stator. Inside we have a rotor. Okay. If you move the rotor, what will produce in the stator?
Electricity.
Voltage. Okay. So if you move this rotor, if you move this link, the rotor will rotate. Rotor will produce what?
Electric voltage.
This voltage is going there. The
ECR.
rudder angle.
Rudder angle.
Okay. That setup is a motor setup. That is a motor setup. If we supply to its motor, its rotor rotates. But the supply is coming from generator. So this is a generator motor setup. Okay. Or it is also called a synchro transmitter. Okay. Now obviously this voltage will be amplified because it has to travel to the bridge. So it has an amplifier in between. Okay. So this is getting amplified. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Any doubt? No problem. If you have any doubt, ask.
सर यहाँ पे दो ही सेक्शन पंप है सिर्फ वी हैव
सर्वो पंप.
सर्वो पंप सॉरी सर्वो पंप्स
दो सर्वो. ये सिंपल है.
एंड सर ये जो हमारे जो हैंडल है ये अपने प्लेट्स के लिए होता है ना दैट्स प्लेट
Swash plate.
स्वाश प्लेट के लिए डिस्चार्ज ये मैनुअली है हमारे पास
हाँ मैनुअल.
और वहाँ पे वो इलेक्ट्रिकली है ठीक है
अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई बंद हो गया तो रडर एंगल नहीं शिफ्ट.
स्वाश प्लेट का सर हम यूज़ क्यों करते थे आई फॉरगॉट
एंगल चेंज करेंगे.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है सर किस पर्पस में एंगल चेंज करते थे हम
स्वाश हमको एक बार इसको डिस्चार्ज बनाना है, एक बार इसको डिस्चार्ज बनाना
हाँ
है.
जी हाँ जी
तो इसके लिए मोटर का डायरेक्शन चेंज करो एक.
हाँ जी हाँ
तो
जी
इसकी जगह पे हम क्या कर रहे थे सिर्फ एंगल
प्लेट्स का कर रहे हैं प्लेट का एंगल
उसको और स्वाश प्लेट.
एंड व्हाट इज सर दिस वन वाइट वन
दिस इज अ ऑयल टैंक.
ऑयल टैंक
ऑयल टैंक जब भी ऑयल घूम के आ रहा है इस ऑयल टैंक में आ रहा है.
सर
Whenever the oil,
Sump tank.
tank also you can pass. Yes. So whenever the oil is coming, it is coming in this sump tank. Okay. So this thing is called as a breather. Somebody transformer, no? You're talking about. Okay. So this thing is called as a breather. Okay. Suppose the oil is here. The top of this there is a space between the oil and the tank. There is a space. Okay. So suppose the oil is hot. What will happen to air? Air will get out. Okay. It will move out. Expelled out. Okay. Because it is hot. Okay. Once hot air is removed, so the oil will become cool. Cool oil will settle down. When the cool oil will settle down, it will take new air. So it will take suction. Hot air will go out and cold air will come out. That is why it is called as breather. Okay, that's why it is called as breather.
यस सर
Clear now?
यस सर
Any more doubts? यहाँ नहीं लगा.
नहीं हाँ सर इतने गर्म टेम्परेचर में मतलब कि हीट अप नहीं हो सकते कुछ मतलब ऑयल हीट नहीं हो सकता सर
हाँ होता है ना. कूलर यहाँ फैंस होते हैं जो इनके पास नहीं.
अच्छा
ठीक है? So now you can stop that.